Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download sentinel data from the Copernicus website. Okay, so to get started, in your search field in your web browser, go Google Data Hub Copernicus. Okay, select Copernicus Open Access Hub and then click on the Open Hub tab. You'll be brought to this page here, which is the page in which we will work from. I then want you to click on the login button, and if you haven't registered, click sign up. Fill out these details. Okay, in domain you can select atmosphere. In select usage you can select education. Select country, obviously choose your country, which is Ireland in this situation. Add in your details, your first name, your surname, choose a password, and put in an email and click register. Okay, this will then send you an email where you can uh, click on the link and set up your account. So I've already registered, so I'm just going to log in. So for this assignment, what I want you to do is to select a region of interest um, in Ireland. Okay, so I want you to zoom in using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Okay, and select an area. So to do that, you can do as I have done. Now, to select your region of interest, I want you to right click the area that you're interested in. So each time you want uh, the, the polygon line to stop, just right click on your mouse. And to finish, double right click. So let's just do that again. Okay, so now I've selected my region of interest. So I want to get any satellite imagery covering this area here. Next, we go up to our search field up here. Okay, and we select our date period. Okay, so in this instance, I'm going to choose imagery between March and September. Okay, we now want to select what we're looking for, and for the purposes that we're going to do, select Sentinel-2, and we then need to select our cloud cover. Okay, so we'll just copy this into this field. Okay, once we have all of that clicked, so just to summarize, we click into the search field, we entered the sensing period, okay, and you can choose the same dates as me. Scroll down and select the mission, which is Sentinel-2, and then input cloud cover. Be sure to use this format here. Once we have that completed, click search. Now, it'll just take a moment now. So these are the list of images that have been selected. So let's just go over and look at this screen. So you can see that there is two SWATs selected. I'm going to choose the lower SWAT by clicking on it as I just did there. You should know you've clicked on the SWAT by it's highlighted in orange. And you can see the reason I've picked that one is that my area of interest or region of interest is more fully within that particular window. Now, following on from that, we can look in our results here. And what we are looking to see is the most cloud-free image that we can. So I think that this is probably a pretty good one here for myself, which is located on the 15th of April. So I'm going to select that and then click download. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and we will let it download, and then we will incorporate that into we'll start beginning to use that in Snap, which is the software package for the assignment.